This is the tool we use the most for the maintenance of red clay tennis court. Today I want to show you why we use aluminium and plastic for the straight edge like this one instead of wood, and how you can use a straight edge. Let's begin with the materials. This straight edge is made of aluminium and 3D printed polyester, and for this reason is very lightweight. In my opinion, it's the natural evolution of materials if we think about how the tennis rackets evolved from wood to other materials, and so nowadays wood is not used since 40 years now. The first advantage of these materials is the weight. The whole tool weighs about 1,800 grams, which is a big saving with respect to wood, and this is very important if we use this tool for several hours per day, for example for a big maintenance on the court. Another advantage is the resistance against rain, water and so on. It's the primary reason why we chose aluminium almost 10 years ago. This particular structure with two brackets is designed to be easily unmounted. In a few seconds we can remove the handle, close the brackets, and then we can take away the straight edge with no stress. The blade has two sides, a pointy side which is useful to scrap the court, removing the exceeding of red clay, or to spread red clay bags, or remove foliage from the court, while the flat side is useful for the refinement phase when we have the red clay bag open and we need to spread with precision the red clay on the court. So this is all for today. I hope this video was interesting. Let's write in the comment what's your point of view. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.